Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka sengi kilong. Ai khusram ka dbmn television saupo hajar tengka ya ka Samla dapale warjri. Hadin san puprasnem yo ying school pemai ka school ka Shillong pom kanyo. Dawa set patok Xi Jinping ya ubiang kupar nong si unong penyap ialah kapurim. Ban da kisong pisa penkup buram ke sorkar ya kinong ngalekai bakensai. Tementai ni apai shki Khubor ke bakamria. Kasamla dapale warjri kanong seng ya Linas Dance and Fitness Academy hakalai puai terik kalalengkon kala yo pediang ya dbmnTv Youth Icon Award arhajar arpulai na Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukon ratke sangma. Ketika award bala penya da donbosco Media Network Television la ai haki Samla ki balong ka nuksa ya ki weipat ki Samla bantiu ya imlang salang kabakan top ya ka sernat ka Youth Icon Trophy harangkat kapisa ka basaupo hajar tengka. Haus nam hajar arpulai la dan kat sangut ki kena Samla baka dbmnTV kala wad bnia ya ka jingle jingkam jungki. Bat na pedeng ki kat sangut ka Samla dapale warjri kala long kabala sya ban pediang ya ka ni ka khusnam. Kumban pentip syikinong Peit ka dbmnTV la seng ya ka Linas Dance and Fitness Academy ha ka shitarik ujeliu hajar khat pra da ka thong ban ai jinghikai ya ka imlang salang ban long ki bakot bakhiakran ban penlong ruyaki ki baslur ban yeng halaki jongki kijat lengba kasyat bat kilan met ha kini ki khendiat snam menta layo iba kala keu step kila bon ki jing mentoi ru bon ngot ki khna ret bat ki balasan narang baru kumju ni pentip syapi kinong Peit ba ka jingwan bo application ya ka kerteng jongki ban yo ya ka khusnam hajar arpusau ban sam ha ka live huai terik kalalengkot hajar arpusan kalapli. Lada pitip nedon ki khun Samla bala ban long kinong ai mensim ni ki nuksa babha ya ki weipat ki Samla pila wanbo ya ka kerteng jongki sha office joga dbmnTV ka badon donbosco Youth Center Lajongkra.
Now we will be having the Donbosco Media Network TV Youth Icon Award 2024. Donbosco Media Network TV is the communication department of the Salations of Donbosco in Shillong. We have our TV channel available on OTT for Smart TV, a YouTube channel for social media, and also available on Lelanki Cable Network Channel 279 on the local cable. Similar to Donbosco, we move with the signs of the time, broadcasting news and events in Meghalaya in English and Khasi. Our content is mostly youth-oriented, and we recognize a youth every year who becomes an icon for others through their activities, awarding them the Donbosco Media Network TV Youth Icon Award of the Year. And this year, we are very delighted to have Dapale Wardri, owner, founder of Linas Dance and Fitness Academy. In her words, the reason behind starting the academy is because she wanted to impact people as much as possible by giving them the strength and willpower for a healthier and fitter life. She wants to add to the society, but not only that, Dapale wants people, especially the youth, to be confident with themselves, physically, emotionally, and all other aspects that she could reach. Zumba is not only about dancing, it has a much more wider meaning than dancing. But there are also various kinds of dancing that she have been able to introduce to the clients, from kids to youth and people of all ages who comes with so many reasons and objectives that they want to achieve. Her academy is the first who provide or brought Zumba, Strong by Zumba and Zumba tuning into the state, and the response has been immense. It really drives her to see people come forward, and she's able to help them through so many other ways or any other form. As we congratulate Ms. Dapale Wardri, may I invite our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir, and our Director to present her the award. The award consists of a citation, mementos, and a cash of rupees 40,000. I would like to call Dapale on stage, and can you please give her a huge round of applause? She truly deserves this. Thank you so much, sir and Dapale. And may I also request our Honorable Chief Minister again and our Director to give away the certificate of the winter camp to our graduate students.
Chief Advisor Jong Chief Minister Ba Hamlet Sondokling haka santrik Rymphang ula pli pat ba yaka ying school government LP school pom kanyo harakat kajing kinong yalam shnong ikmeki kpa badru nakatanat pule puthi jong ka sarkar Jylla. Katai ka school kadai ka bala seng nadu nam khat khandai spa handriu pausan handre nadu kitai kisnam kamsham ladon satya ka jing rap ban shnapen bha da ka ying school ka bas kem bat ban shngan na ka banta ki khana. Urang ba kibar sing kharkongor kumju ka headmistress kong Lucy Doras Emily kilayat hu badai kapor jang uba Hamlet Sondokling kumu MLA ba kilayo ya ka jingkular ban shnano da ka ying school daubilat bat kilayo ban plepat ba ya ka hakani kasngi.
Happy New Ribbon. Kaban pani ba la flame taski ke government pangkanyo LP school kam school pula ban pudul kam no duduk matasmi.
Nak sekolah hi baro. Wilayah Cisha Shibun kijing hak wedai bat ke school building. Hak di kisnam ki baladem. Di khatnya pala. Kat hadu bengi haban pensyong. Lanjut ki kena sekolah hak wei ke band ke batang santun. Bat ke jing khatnya akan long hadu bakim long syuk tang ban tho bat ban kuliah. Teng-teng kadan ke jing yak keni iki fulam iki pencil iki kat namar ke jing khatnya ke jing yakar iki hadu kalau long sisa ketma yang ini kita hikai. Barat pedang jong kata kajing ni juyai kerpat siaga education department nak office SDS EU. Baiklah jubur ke application dan kerpat bangin penyok school building yang kepom kenyo LP school. Hendak kiat kisnam nak kawai kisnam sekawai pak kisnam. Bat kasak ketai ke building ke berim. Unsin ke jauh ke puan selap nginda poi men setiap school kila jie ki ben kila jie ki iu hadu ke don kawai ke senam ke bagi almari ke mengibukan kila jie lut nginda poi school ngila download iki register ara jinan kamjong ke school hadu ipas duk la ile arah milik ra sedang bakal along ku bapuut namar kecing jauh jong ke school mat sisa kecing Rengi dap de kejing aingo you play bagi kejing sngowo lembar kejing tray sheet hand kejing tray sheetam jadi sel Hamlet Sondokling hak kapor bilang MLA mai nganget kejing budien kejong kabala wanra ya kedi kesnang ban penyo di ke school building sir kulai sipun ya kejing tray sheetam kejong pi lem ke tu kerdo pi kan mau duduk kapor bang dang tray po KSU ma ya tray sitam hadu bandalong kumni kena kedau bagi iet ya kari bak kajak benriu tu boleh nak kerku kerdo ya pisa pihak kami ada bagi ni ke school building lawan ra kontraktor lah ya kendu yang ini kinong hikai yang kini ke school kandan arteli kawe ke staff room kawe ke head room bat san teli ke classroom dah ke jingpe jangi tak ada Badangi lek santli ke classroom kan siam jing namar ke kapasiti jang ka wei ke classroom kan yam lam num no tang arpungun. Kuptang lek kran sutu jimut no kan long ne badangi penlong no iki tang lai tli ke classroom in kampen he. Namar ka kum ke enrollment men paus nem kenya ki new admission radan ila poi lam num no sau ku sau ngot ka wei ke class. Ke new enrollment. Ke enrollment jong ahrajar arpulai ngi dan arspa khat mriungot. Ia mentau usnen kila anang increase kena nang te national mawan abun tuan sim admission hang ni kena nasi sekat anmer labun kuan ship admission nang dia bat nga sngu tena ru bania thu ye pi ki kimi pa bat ye pi ki rang ba dan sang dia hadin ke jing pek perman ye jing long jing man jong ka snong ka thau jong ka skul namar bangi dan tang ka wei ka skul hang ne pom ka nyu im dan leki wei pat ki skul tang ka ni hi jadi na kata kadang na perkat bah ban plilat ye ki nong shong snong ye ki khon ye nong shong snong hang dia bat yo e ka lat ka kabu kumba ki yo ki wei pat ki brio wilayah kod dekat managing committee rengkat ban ki kimi pa bangin penyait nak ki dekat school dekat English ni subha ban ya thu episode ban adu uniu art wei ngah penyait dekat English section ha ka jaka jong ka khasi section kentang i ka dan ki improvement ha pedang jong ki kena school mat parabor ngi lek dekat khasi na de nursery hadu class 5 kita pai class 6 ki syam jing cibun ban pulian mat paro ki kot ki dei ha ke English like dok tang dekat khasi na kata kadang ni le no ya ka ada ke English section bat mi ka dan ke improvement bat dikena la nang roh shisha kami lempi ke jing Tracy Tom isar mo ibadai advisor jong chief minister ti nang ya rap shu ban pli ki lap nar hang ni ngi dan tang lai tli ke classroom te lai tli classroom ngi dang hap ban pen long ha ka te ka old building bat ka te ka la jot shisha bat kalong ro ka jing duko ang ka por slap por air ba kinong hi ka ken yat na kan dia ka building syakate ka building ladang idap ka wei ka period dang ni hap lai syate nang te ngin wan biang syane te kan dan ka jing duko ka bakrau te ka jing kerpat akan dan ka school kalong wada long ka bala min yo biang ka lai tri ai ki classroom katakan penbiang ni dan kam jong ki kena ni te kata ka de ka jing angnut ka jong ni na kalian ka school bat di skungu shisha bin ayo bin ka school building mereka jing mentag la pen pau rang bas nong kalong bangim dan furniture tinda lawan ki kena sani ngam tit ha ikin syong khat santrik mentau Februari ngan sedang ke school tingi duna bahagi ben ini kerpat iki sa la dalong ka bala ni rap katakan liang ru ye na liang ke school sa sisen pat ni tempau ki sungu ipi paro bal treshitom na kaliang jong ka parti jong isa ham
Kidukot bat nongkit kam joka Village Defense Party VDP te sau daka we kasur kila rai ban dawa ya Khubor jongka an baki dei ban penshitom daka bateng ya ubiang kupar nong sit ubala shim ya la ka jing im joka kurem ka badang armet ha kini ki khendiat sngi balala u president ka VDP te sau ba penshai rongren ulaong kum kisama shnong ki ba pet ya ka bha ka miat jong ka shnong ka thau ngi kwa ba ka an ka dei ban set patok shi jing im ya ute urunar bat dei ban pelat jamin ya ula ong ru ba na kalyang jo ki samla shnong kim kwa shu ban yu i ya ute ubreu hapo shnong te sau ka shnong te sau ki VDP bat ki samla kin penlong ka jing ya rally ban penrem ya uni urunar haka nyau tarik Rymphang
kong ni ko VDP shnong ni ban pau ka jing solam nam ha ka jing jing ba trending ke belajar mensni ba asim ni kun teman du transnam ba impe khat ulok unsim ni jong ka lok ba kun pau ini ba ni kum ko VDP da dekat bagi dia ka si penaruh VDP ini dan lang kat bagi ni pen pau ba dalili ru kat bala kemudian banyak jamin mani kumusnong tunggi sama snong ni nang ham ka kata kajing batnut kajing dom ba dalong kepala di benset patok iu sitting im bat hakanya tarik kanton kata garali bloknya de snong pat ya di sama snong kilong mi long pa ba nyami angkat bangin terpau ba dalai unung yo jamin nomor bangin tip ke ban saja mata nang dia snong dumi tip kan saja snong duwe kan dia ya ding kesem kikur ki jaj na kun jono re jono mo di man kapor ni dulap itu dia mana ki jaka ba kata ke jin sim jing im bangin ki ru tang snam kayai serkai lagi serkai tinggi kong VDP tinggi ni ai katakan message ba nang ni khmat minum syak, minum air lapsu, mungkin gijing dia. Hantam ha senong jungi, minum su, you tu dengan transnam dalili, minum pedang. But tada dia bu like, tada kata gijing tawal jungi bo udang like, nak kata jing set patok si jing em. Ni kung kasenong nimba kli, but in tip kata je tambah apa senang ni pedang su kum tu jajing khap.
Menteri Rangba ukonrot ke sangma ula penkup burom daki buskit song pisa yaki rang bat ki thei kensai ki balawanra yaka nam job haki lumpung ya lekai 5th Meghalaya Games arhajar arphulai bat haka Khelo India Youth Games arhajar arphusau haka santrik Rymphang ha hol susu tham haka jinga don lang ka kong amprin lengdo menteri kapat ka khia baruba shakliar warjri menteri ki kam penroi sports ka Jylla haka jingkran haka ne ka jinga lang penkup burom Menteri Rangba ulaya ro eki jingtrai shitom jong ki Samla ki balawanra ya kan nam jingjob hakite ki artili ki lumpung ya lekai ki badang shudep shen hau benai balala ulo ong ka sorkar hakani ka sngi ka penkup buram ya baro ki balawanra ya kan nam jingjob ula pen pauru ya ka jing sngongu ya baro ki kunhun ki bala sei borba ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya Games ka job kabayat bet yat renti bat kabalawanra ya ka jingkemen ya ki khun Samla ka Jylla uba syakliar ula kentu ya ki Samla ba ki bala sya penkup burom hakani ka sngi ba ki dei ban pendon kam bha ya kini ki buskit ban penep shushu ya la kasap ka phong kum ka jingpen kre ya ki jingya khun ki ba kham shajrong hakipor bandangwan.
And welcome our very young and dynamic Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Shri Shakliar Wadri.
And let me also allow me to welcome our guests who are here today. We also welcome the coaches and the managers of the different teams, parents, well-wishers, welcome to our program.
After gymnastics, we move on to the winners of the basketball 5th Meghalaya Games. East Khasi Hills boys, Danish for the felicitation of sports achievers. So I would like to thank all our guests and dignitaries.
In wrestling, we have Frankie Moment from East Khasi Hills District. Please come forward. Obadiah Kelpon, please come forward.
After Taekwondo, we will move on to athletics. The few winners from athletics: Joyful Narlong, Rymphang, Linti Jikerman, Southwest Khasi Hills, Marcellus Ramsey, Southwest Khasi Hills, Primus Rocky from Rymphang, Renaldi Dhar, West Jankia.
So at the very outset, I would like to congratulate all the winners today and really wish you all the very best. You have made yourself, your family, and each and every one of us proud. So I think it would be appropriate that let's give each other, in fact all of you, a huge round of applause. Many, many congratulations for the great achievements that you have achieved. That we would like to make you as icons and as motivation for other youth to be able to look at you and say that, well, I would like to be like them. And I would like to also be one of those people who are able to achieve. And hence, I would like to tell the youth who are here today that you have a very important and responsible role to play. Today, you might think that you just won a medal, but it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved. That you will face challenges in life. But it is how you face them and how you improve and how you overcome them. That is really what matters. And I'm happy to see that the MSOA, the sports department, and all the organizing committee members overcame many challenges and we're making the games better and better every year. I really look forward to the games in Jylla Hills in July, which will be in about a year's time. And I hope that all of you have started practicing for the event. We really hope that this year we had about 3,000 athletes. I'm hoping that we will be having many more in the next games. Hopefully maybe 4,000 to even 5,000 athletes participating in the future games to come. You will see that it is not just our speeches or the kind of words that we give, but in action, we have been able to invest in our youth. If you minus the infrastructures, which will be more than 700-800 crores today in different infrastructures for the sport within this last 5 years, in the different programs, as I said, for grassroots music program, Yes Meghalaya program, Prime Entrepreneurship program, Northeast Olympics, different Meghalaya games, different association games. The government of Meghalaya has spent more than 125 crores in different programs to organize and to mobilize the youth. And let me assure you that we will continue to do that and we will be investing in the youth because, as mentioned by our Honorable Sports Minister, you are the future of our state and we want to give the best opportunity to you to be able to shine in whatever area that you have passion in and that you want to move forward in.
Kashnong umdokha them, kabadon shikibenta kibakam paji na kishnong kibakam sor, kabadang hap hapo kanong po constituency, menta kasngi santarik Rymphang arhajar arpusau. Kinong yalam joga ni kashnong, bar kinong shnong da ka jingkemen mensim kila yo ban pli pal bano, ya ka ying dorbar hall ka bathamai ka jongka, na ka benta ban penyo pentrekam ya ki kam shnong kam thau ha ki benta ba pher. Ya ka te ka ying dorbar ka bathamai la te lengba ka jinga senrop lang ha padeng ka SRWP scheme, bar ka MGNREGA scheme, ha ka jinglut ka basan laktam, ha kabala pli pal bano menta kasngi daw MLA nong po constituency ba Mirabons em ha ka jinga don lang u BDO ka umling CNRD block uba idkhar ba di Shilla assistant executive engineer PWD nong po PP Yadhaf BMC umling block ba Bishar lengdo rang basnong lampat kiwe kiri rang ba uba Mirabons em habakran ha kate kasngi ula ai ka jingyaro ya kinong yalam shnong halor ka jinglong teli jongki ban penurlong ya kanika kam da ka basen rop lang ya ki scheme MGNREGA ba ya ka scheme SRWP ka bala long shisha ka jingmentoy ka bakraw amtang ya kinong yalam shnong henre ya kinong shong shnong ru kumju
don rengkat di video jeni dan lang ini ba Eric Dekar nanta i BMC jeni dan lang ini nanta irang ba Shillong i jeni ba Bishar nanta ba sensi lengdo bi ka ying dorbar ia kabala shna lengba ka convergence scheme bedeng jong ka SRWP ba ka MGNREGA ka de jingker khu i ba nong song Shillong nak mata kena kesini ke kerpang bat kena Khubor kum kadak kaba yang lipat ba ikan ini suar minyo ya kecing lang impli yang NEHU
kiong badam kam banyo ing dorbar ke batmai dengan nangong iki bato suki nginyaram demar bagi SRWP scheme kading scheme ke bahab yarap yaman la kishnong la bende bocne jindorbar la bende botik madan la bende bocne kenrot la bende bocne skur la bende kejing yarap di kishnong kejing yarap di kibalang kejingrap ye ki sengente kejingrap ye ki sport club kejingrap ye ki group ki SAG ki regiment bat kam ta ter ki don shibun ki jing don kam te de na takadang ong tong ini face wise in ai ka face ka banang kong ka face ka baar kum ta ter dan ai jumut hi ba yele ban kat bala dari bala ban le convergence bat ke MG and RGA li kanang khambha susu kat bala ban penurlong ngasutu kidan shibun ki jing ban penurlong khamtam hagabede bat ka convergence khamtam hagabede kumno ban pentrekam lagade ka material lagade ka wages bat kum ta ter sending ai khubli wan peding ki jing ki babun ki ba ka VC hangni hapo umdo ka them phia kendu ba bisar kumrong ba snong uni kendu shibun ki jing ki state member lani ki khot po VC kindan shibun ki jing tenre pilala ban pendep iso ban ai khubli kerpang khubli unang kerkhui phi yang jing tri sistem jing tri bha ga jong phi bat kumba pila tho hak member ndom ru banang beteng ginang beteng hi banyaram ya kene bangala kren hi men suaru banginang beteng banyaram face wise kamut ba kawat ke benengkong kawat ke baar bat kum ta ter kidan shibun ki jing shna ki bangila persang banyaram hapo ka constituency hapo ki shnong ba pher ngiyat face wise namar baban ai chisen ai te la ar pekot namar ba skim ga ba der ga bubun bere ka SRWP scheme ga chungi ga ba ju tu ipi na ga por nadu basdang ga jinglong MLA ga jong snem arjar khatra hadu snem ar hajar ar puwei kalong ar klur ka sisnem menta lapan ku ki ar klur chiten sisnem kata ga de ka SRWP scheme ga bot ba ke MLA scheme ka hap ichi yosam haki chnong chispa ar pu kundai chnong hapo kanompo constituency tahap yasam ya ta tu mundur bupi atu kundit kam tahap yasam de ta bai wo gordari kisker hap thit kitin hap thit kichuki hap thit ki khyo hap thit ki bodon kampon ki jing kam jadi nang ta gadau ngas ngo ban kerpat ban ngasongu ban nagaliang jong snong pi pediang pi ai ki jing trelang ban ngin pentikna bagani ka jindor bar gedung pi ko balayo ban sedang gemni kemung inang yo ban beteng abaci ing ba marla ni seliang ro 4 star pi wat star chu ni marla ni nomor hapen pras ter kala de benut semua marhap pating bat kum ta ter wat star chung te suki inang ai gijing arab naga por sekopor yang gijing don kam gijing pi hagabedi bat kitu kimat kibar kongsan kibar pi pila pensgo hakenika memorandum kabanukong kabede bat ka luti kesengkin ke surok kadi ke kongsan kadi gijing sisah hiru ba gijing don kam naga menta ban penyeso ia ke surok lanila doha capo kebet nombri lumbag trap lani te malumala kan ba yali beli rep likit kamar kamta ka kuba ka khau usia je ka be gumtu nagaliang na site liang jong ka kebet nombri gilayo ai ban peti nagaliang chonga malumala ka tulung tang ban chuti tang ban lai der ka surok ka ba tang ban lai telani bro imat don kam ban peti der malumala tang ban lai kurang basnong ila ong yang aman agani ngis penbet ya gani kani long tang ban lai malumala tang chui suk kali gawan kunta ter ndai gawan pakahi kendai lembah nagaliang jong piludi iba sela bayalang hani umur ba insa kani ko mensuag estimate kala dan de lale sorbe ne katai kending haban penting kena menta kani ko bale hani wala dang memorandum cham tho arpi ba kani ko bala umdo kha se sentu mau cham tari bro ko ba don kam ha gani de nang ta kadau ta ba chisin le tala re kai gilo kata gade ke bachai ngan ong ipi namar ba ha gijingya limti ban yo gijing don kam ni ko suro hani ba don kam ni cha than so khwai bodon kam ni chanong khra nong do we kam ni than berman bodon kam ni chanong bri we kam ni kumta te kiran shibun kini gijing don kam ki surok te andre yele lupai kini ki plan ki estimate ki baro khnang bandalai olan ban pendrung kini le kat bala nagaliang chunga liam ngak kwa pelan badara ban penlong no mentah ite eleste bisa kwa ichi penlong tang balong ka kumta ngihap banyesha ngihap banyai am banyuk budin ban penting kena bagani surok sa kebet nang tak banle sa sentu mau sa mautari kan pe ban sup kali gawan naga benta kinong chong senong ban ha gabe de
kumsi benta ban wan ra iki kampen roy haki shnong ki thau bat kumjuru banang kentiu ya kayo kakon UMLA kanong po ba Mirror Bonds im harengkat bat kiwe ki he officer ki ba kentup iki nong train na katanat jong ka kwat kakhia ba kentup ya ka Dr. TS Moment District Medical Health Officer Ribhoy District Dr. B Bla Assistant DMHO Eric Calvin Dakar Block Development Officer Omling CNRD Block lambat kiwe kilayo banyak kenduk lang hakasnong maulong nong tulu banyak keren halor ki katu kat ni teli ki kam penroi ki balade ban wanra ha kani kasnong UMLA kanong po uba Mirror Bonds im habakran shakilat pathai Khubor ulaya thu uba ha kani ka jinga kendu lang ha bedeng kinong tre jang ka sarkar harengkat bat kinong yalam jang kasnong maulong nong tulu kilayo banyak keren halor ka jingdan kam jong kani ka than bandan ya ka sub center bar ka jing penrung ya ka maulong government LP school hapo ka PM Shri lani ka Pradhan Mantri School for Rising India kabadai ka scheme jaga sarkar pedeng ha ka balajit ya ka maulong government LP school banyo ya kani ka jingarap kum ki kamera kelas ki bapaka ki kenro school ki babiang ki jakalet shabar ki core computer bat kiwe kabalong ru kumsi bentaban penklan ya ki school sarkar
Dapat dokumen kemakau mengiyo ban yo kejat po kasnong maulong nong telu iki juni ban yo ban pendikna ban budin yang ki katokan itali kam ki bide ban keneka snong kabun kong galong na gabanta ban pendikna ban budin na gabanta proposal kaba nakam slam ban April di kumka snong kumka dong hibaro kowe hagini gitai mulong area gijumi nakta ki nakha bro albade ber gijim don no ayaka sub center akaneka jaka tingi da hajing dokumen bro krau ya ka dor ber snong hibaro kowe bagi snong di paparan jambaro ya gijim kamensin gijim trilang ki kidon lai somha gejaka penpau yang sun ngu halor jogani kumjuru ya ki officer na kalian jong ko office jong DMHO kat kum jong bitha na kalian jong director bani menteri jong ka tnak jong ka ko ka khia ni la la ni poi ha ni snong na sni ban pentikna kat kum jong ya trail ka adin panggil ayo ban review ban scan baka village health council ya bala don po ni snong bahkan function properly yang berkom bade kanang bagi jimbit jimbiang di non kamero atau yang jong health department kina ban IT siakan ka council dan committee ban la ban menteri kam kloy ya kaneka sub center na kum da jing mentoi jong ram chung snong khamtam ya ki kilom kemi environment ki ba khang khlu na da ki besit ki bi jing pam ki dawai ki desin kanang jong mentoi na da kaneka dong ber kathani baro kawe kabar kalau macam budin na kabidi bat kajing penrung ya ka school maulong government LP school apo keneka PM Shri keneka skill jong ka sorkar pedeng kaba u menteri ramba jong gari ulasim kia kerpang alo jong kani hal mitip ko Pradhan Mantri School for Rising India lungkot mitip ko PM Shri kebala jid but identify ya ka maulong government LP school na taban yo ini jeram kum ki additional classroom yo kum ki proper fencing yo ki proper toilet yo ki furniture ke biang yo ki up to date skill material ki dalam tadi kena school na ko ki computer na ko tadi mi juga kam tambah kan ni kalau kum si benta ban klan ya ki school sarkar government LP school ni sutu ketika school na ko boduk borangli bomla ban school segi school private rem ke sil dan de kani ketika school ko bang kedang bela yo ban identify terpang ya kenika snong ya kenika government LP school ko berada ni nyai kuble ya ka snong ya ka managing committee jong school ya ginong kai ki jong de school ki bela ai ka jeng trelang ban ha ju ko por ya ka snong ni bro ko we ya ki bala IT dak bukulut bensin snong managing committee ya ke jakar bermai ke kelut na tak jing mentoi jong bubun walang bat hang ju ko por ila yo ban budin ha ka bede bat ka ni ka we ni skim ka SAGY ya ka ba MP jong ka Shillong parliamentary seat ha jing recommend dengan senam ajar kat kendai la yo ban jit ya kan Shillong ban don jing mentoy ki ban wan lemba jong tenan bapher jong ka sarkar Jylla kum menusa kala bende ha bende tenan jong rep kerian la bende tenan jong ka kot ke khia la bende tenan jong ki kamri dong kha fishery na ki poultry ki jing mentoy ki bagi nong song ni ki don kam ti la yo ban budin ni kan ni ha jing don kan video mene ban shai ke snong ban ni scam ban kalian jong ka komiti ka bala don apo jong snong ba ni yo ban pedikena don bar snong pro kowi kan ki yo jing mentoy lemba jong kan ka skim SAGY ka bade ka bala jik pang ban identify nang ta ban mentoy ki dong snong ti gini ki lai ti ki mat Shillong ban ka dapat Shillong pada kesini, bagi scam, bagi ni ki Shillong nak tang jeng mentoy jong ki Peit ba nong Shillong tu saja sih, nak kubli, nong buat Shillong seperti Shillong juga dalam lengkap, ada report, lembat, ke school managing committee lembat, ki nong Shillong, ki ba la air jeng terilang nong ta ki jeng mentoy jong Peit ba.
Kaki EDC kelap lelat mentaya ki Peit ba bakin siu online no ya ka professional tax, kabamut. Baki Peit ba ki baju siu ya ka te ka khajna kim dan kamshu ban wan mi sha district council. Haba pentip ya ka ni UCEM ba penyat sing sim ula ong ba ka ni tang bakan pensuk ya ki Peit ba hendra ya ka rukom trekam jo ka office ru kumjo.
To nakaliang jungi ka executive committee ru naka IT branch but ka taxation la khatlai tarik mentau benai ngin sa launch no ekanika online payment system but kumju yeki online ban pendap form online dan kamshu bandawan daladesh of office jong council yekinu ki bakwa ban siu ka professional tax la da kalong hakanu ka bentah jadi kita kinu ki nong shong ki badan yekinu ki jai kamru nama professional tax ketika ka tax ke official ya ka profession ke jong pi sila bende contractor la bende no high school la bende businessman la bende ki traders ki no khai kino ki ba ki government employees ru ki ba kwa ban siu ya ka professional tax dan kam shu ban one hadin ka khalai trik re ngin launch no ka online but ya kan ni sa shimti da em in charge jong ka IT ban le ya kan ni kam haka khalai trik ya kiwe ru tementa kum ka jing sedang le singila ban persyang shwa tang habe de ka professional tax nrei ban kampen sup ya ki Peit ba ki bon don kam shani haka ni ka juk jing start technology menta ni kwa hiba kan kampen janai ker kontrakam kan kampen stat lese don ru ki applicant ki badan kam ker ki yeki professional tax certificate baki waging.com sekan yarap iki kena bikin yo kham kloi kini ki certificate but kin la ban pendan kam lese kinu nu ki jaka ki baki dan kam ban pen i kini certificate.
Kadba ka jing pentre ya ka wei ka benta jang ka surok ranikor ka ba na jingking borbasing shadu lat alik wareng kadang yat shat ha ka single lane harengkat ka jing bam patiau kontraktor bat ka NHIDCL ya ka jing betha usumbut menteri rangba ka Jylla uba prestun tensong ban penhe ya ka te ka benta jang ka surok shaka tulen kumban syupen kan mau baya kate ka surok tulen na kaliang ka NHIDCL kalashna penrit ha ka jingjengai kumba lai kilometer tam AA bat hakini ki benai baladap na kaliang ka seng FKJGP Southwest Khasi Hills District kaladap banya kendu ya Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District ha ka ba ka seng kala berngem ban pha da ka PIL lada kate ka company kamshna biang ya ka ni ka tulen hendrai hadu menta ka penpau ba kam patiau ya kate ka jing berngem barkum juru hakini ki ju ki benai baladap uba prestun tensong uba dehi menteri ka tenat PWD uladap betha ka company ban shna biang da ka surok tulen hendrai hadu menta lalap baya kate ka surok la pendap ha ka single lane kum juru ladap ban siangrong Kani ka jingbang patiaw ka company kalapan jenjar ya ki kali ki bayan bayeng. Bada ki tu ki khubor nglapoish ka bakut tarhadu banginda syambyang khublei shibun.